Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is today's quote. Some succeed because they are destined to, but most succeed because they are determined to. Some people, they just have it all, don't they? They just seem destined to become a success and will succeed at whatever they do. But for others, it's down to the pure grit and determination to want to succeed in what they want to do. It's the hard work, blood, sweat and tears that people put in every single day to perfect their craft and to try and be the best version of themselves. And obviously show just how amazing you really are.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.